Hi guys, in today's video we'll be talking about everything you need to know about Shadowban on X, formerly Twitter. Sometimes when you make a post, you wonder why this post is not getting engagement. Why is there low visibility and reach? The answer is not far-fetched. It could be that your account is on Shadowban. You wonder why? What happened? What did I do? In this video, I'll be giving you reasons why your account could be on Shadowban and what you should avoid. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you're welcome. Let's get started. I will also be giving you some Shadowban checking tool for you to check if you're on Shadowban. And if really your account is Shadowban, I'll be telling you what to do. Let's get started. What does it mean for an account to be on Shadowban on X, formerly Twitter? When this happens, your content will be downranked, hidden and blocked from other users on the platform as well as from search. You will notice low engagements on your posts. You will also notice a decrease in visibility and reach. So, what are the signs of shadow ban? How would you know that this has happened? I will be telling you. I will also tell you some of the tools you can use to check, as well as check for your content on search. If you check your content on search and you cannot find it, that means you are on shadow ban. What causes shadow ban? I will also let you know and how you can get out of this situation because it is not a good one. So let's get started. How do you find out that you are on shadow ban? Here we go.
First, you will have to leave a comment on a public tweet. Log into another account to see if your reply is visible. This is my account. This is a comment I made on a post I reposted. I'll be using another account to find out if I can see this reply. If I cannot see this reply, it means it is hidden from me. Make sure this account is not following you. You can use a friend's account for this purpose. Look at the account here. I will search for my handle and head over to the particular post to search for my comment. If I cannot see my comment on that particular post, it means I am on Shadowban. Here is the post. Here is my comment. If this comment wasn't shown, that means this account is on Shadowban. But you can see it is shown to me. Make sure you leave a comment on a public tweet. Log into another account to see if your reply is visible. Next is to check if your comment falls under more replies. Sometimes when your comment or your post appear on search, you could be on soft shadow ban. If your comment appears under show more replies or show additional replies, including those that may contain offensive content, guys, watch it. Your account is on shadow ban. Next is to use twitter.com/explore to search for your content. You will have to type from type your username. If your content pops up, you are okay. If you can't find anything related to your content, then your account is on shadow ban, guys. What could be the cause of shadow ban, you may ask? It is as a result of aggressive tweeting. When you follow and unfollow so many people at the same time, this could result to shadow ban. Don't unfollow people at the same time you are unfollowing. This is not a good one. When you solicit for engagement, this is not allowed. Next thing that can cause shadow ban is when you use trending topics and hashtags to share irrelevant content. Guys, this could result to shadow ban when so many accounts block you at the same time. It could limit your content's visibility because X will detect that your account is something others don't want to see. So when people are always blocking your account, it is not a good one. Also, when your content goes against X general search rules or you repeat the same links and tweets, this could result to shadow ban. Sometimes when you head to the trending section, you type a particular trend and find out that there are so many posts that have this particular trending topic, but it is unrelated to their posts. This is not allowed, guys. If you are used to this, it is time to stop. Don't use trending posts or trending topics that are irrelevant to your post. Now to web-based tools you can use to check for shadow ban. I've talked about twitter.com/explore. Simply type from, then tap at your username. If your content pops up, then you are okay. If your content didn't pop up, or you see something like this, just like this particular account that is shadow ban, just know that your account is shadow ban. You can see there's no result for this particular account. This means this account is on shadow ban.
If you have not joined us, please subscribe and turn on notifications to join us.
Other web-based tools you can use to check if you're on shadow ban is this particular one. I love this one because it will help you to search for suggestion ban, for search ban. You will also get to know if you are ghost banned or reply deboosted. All you have to do is to impute this on any browser of your choice. Then type at your username. You will get to know if you are suggestion banned or ghost banned or any kind of ban at all. The next one is just like the former one. Simply type at the username to know if this particular handle is shadow banned on Twitter. Then tap check. If it is on shadow ban, you will get to know. Guys, which of these would you be using? The former one, the first one I shared, or this particular one? Let me know in the comment section.
Now that you have known the signs of shadow ban and why you are on shadow ban, it's time to remedy this situation. I'll be showing you 3 ways you can do this. The first one is to remove any spammy content. Remove all automated services. If you have used any offensive word, it is time to delete them. If you have used any third-party service to add or track followers to yourself, it is time to deactivate and delete them. All of this goes against the X rules. Make sure you delete all of this spammy content, third-party services that will track and add followers to yourself, automated services, offensive words. Make sure you delete them. Then log out of your account for about 24 to 72 hours. At the end of 72 hours, this should be fixed. If after 72 hours you still find out that you are still shadow banned, it is time to consult support. These are the 3 ways you can remedy shadow ban on X, formerly Twitter. Then remember what put you in shadow ban in the first place and then avoid them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have not joined us, please subscribe and turn on notifications to join us. I will see you in my next one. Have you been shadow banned on X, formerly Twitter, before now? What do you think caused this shadow ban? What did you do to remedy the situation? Let me know in the comment section below. I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye.